My uncle has DSL with Frontier, and recently he was experiencing some errors, which I'll show in this video coming up. He was originally on a Westel 6100 DSL modem. Prior, he was with Verizon, and then Frontier purchased them. And it's a 3 megabit connection. After talking to customer support and running diagnostics, they were nice enough, customer tech at Frontier. They sent us this Aris NVG443B DSL modem / router. In the end, it did fix the issue, but the issue was here as described. When I would go to a website, let's say yahoo.com, it might load this page where it says the site can't be reached. And anywhere from 5 to 10 to 15 seconds later, the site might eventually load, or it might even take longer. So that was one problem. Another thing is I tried going to other websites like speed test. I couldn't run any speed test internet provider speed testing. It just would fail. And then even when I went to like stuff like mail websites through my phone, like Yahoo Mail, or what's it called? Just trying to update my iPhone, my aunt's iPhone, it would fail. So that was some of the problems experienced with the internet and the Westel DSL modem. So again, originally running Westel 6100, they did their diagnostics and they said everything was fine on their side. So they nicely sent us a replacement Aris NG443B for free, likely for free. And that fixed our problem where my aunt and uncle aren't going to cancel, but they're still on a 3 megabit connection, which is enough for them. They just use the internet from time to time. So that's the end of my story with Frontier. And thanks for fixing my aunt and uncle's internet problem. I really appreciate it. So give me a thumbs up for not trying to, overcharge my aunt and uncle who haven't had decent internet for the past year. And you fix their problem by sending this modem. I'm on Frontier Internet, and I'm going to test my Westel 6100 DSL modem. You can see all the lights are blinking. The ones that we need internet, need Ethernet. I'm going to load yahoo.com and see how long it takes. Pressing enter now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I get this error message quite often. The site can't be reached. It's still thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And eventually it loads. But you can see you don't want to wait 20 seconds for a web page, especially on a 3 megabit connection, 3 megabit. And so they sent us this replacement router modem, which we're going to install, try it out. Hopefully it fixes the problem. I'm running on Frontier Internet using a Westel Model 6100 modem. And when we try to use the internet, we get a lot of errors. You can see over here, it's just trying to load some information from Google, and we get this. So I'm gonna go try to refresh the page. So that finally loaded. And I'm going to run the speed test over here. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds to connect to anything, so that's a big problem for us. Sometimes it shows a DNS error. We had Frontier support look into it. They said everything looked fine. Surprisingly, we can watch Netflix on a smart TV pretty okay, but it's just when we surf regular websites that you can see over here it's been over 10 seconds and nothing. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I'm trying to load speed test over here. Speedtest.net. You can see it's just thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we're lucky, we'll get a DNS error saying that it can connect to a server, but right now it's just loading. I'm going to close that too. So I was trying to load speedtest.net. Let me reload yahoo.com. I just pressed the refresh button on yahoo.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see how long it's taking to load. The nice thing is they send a replacement router modem, the Aris NVG 443B. So I'm going from, you see it finally loaded, and it took over 10 seconds. So that's the issue we're running with. And this is forgot to mention, it's a 3 megabit connection. So it's pretty slow, but still, pages shouldn't take that long to load.